I'll show you guys how to bridge over Ethereum to Solana. So first things first, you're going to want to head over to Jupe, and then you're going to go to onboard and then debridge. You're going to connect wallet. When this pop-up comes, click Phantom. In the You Pay section, you're going to want to sell Ethereum. So click ETH, and the You Receive, click Solana. Put how much you want to sell. And then right here, this button is usually unchecked, but check it off and put trade and send to another address. And then right here, click connect. This pop-up is going to appear and connect your Solana wallet Phantom. And then all you have to do is click confirm trade. This wallet does not have enough ETH. Keep in mind ETH is expensive and gas fees are like anywhere from a couple cents to like $25 and up sometimes. So if you want to trade meme coins, you're going to need more than what I have, because obviously I don't have enough to execute this transaction. But all you'd have to do is confirm this trade, and then once this pop-up appears, just click confirm.